Learning a new skill, huh? I bet it's more exciting than getting 90% in your 10th boards. But Adi, how do I learn this skill? How much time will it take to learn this skill? Or simply, how do I learn a skill in minimum time? Well, no worries. I'm here to give solutions to all your problems. Hi everyone, my name is Aditya and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Time to Productive. In this video, we're going to talk about how to learn a skill in minimum time, scientifically. So there is a proven fact कि अगर आपको किसी स्किल में महारथी होना है या फिर से बेस्ट होना है तो आपको उस स्किल में 10,000 घंटे देने पड़ेंगे. बट देयर इज अ कैच, महारथी होना है पर हम लोग को तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ वो स्किल सीखनी है. सो हाउ डू वी डू दैट? सो देयर इज ऑल्सो प्रूवन और से एक्सपेरिमेंटल फैक्ट कि आपको अगर किसी स्किल को सिर्फ और सिर्फ सीखना है तो आपको सिर्फ शुरुआत के 20 घंटे देने पड़ेंगे.
How long does that take? Here's what my research says. 20 hours. That's it. You can go from knowing nothing about any skill that you can think of. Want to learn a language? Want to learn how to draw? Want to learn how to juggle flaming chainsaws? If you put 20 hours of focused, deliberate practice into that thing, you will be astounded at how good you are.
But there's also a catch. सीखना है. So how do we approach it? Well, I have broken it down in 3 simple ways. First, deconstruct. Second, education. Third, practice. Well, let's go about these procedures step by step. First, deconstruct. Learning a new skill is sometimes very frustrating and annoying because you are very low level at something and you have pushed your limits to come out of your comfort zone. But you know what? Coming out of your comfort zone is actually the first step. So before going to learn a new skill, you should deconstruct it first. मतलब उसे छोटे छोटे हिस्से में तोड़ देना. जैसे कि if you want to learn guitar, then before taking it to top like Amin Tufani, start like Joey in the series Friends. And it's alright if you suck at it in the beginning because no one is born perfect with all the skills in the world. Yeah, you have to first deconstruct the skill, like first I have to do this, then second I have to do this, and then I have to do this. In this way, you won't have the pressure of learning all the things at once. It's rather easy कि हम छोटे छोटे पत्थर तोड़े in comparison to पूरा पहाड़. Second, education. Education is most important part of learning any skill. अगर आपको बेस्ट एजुकेशन मिलेगी तभी आप उस स्किल को बहुत आसानी से और जल्दी सीख पाओगे. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. सोशल साइंस की क्लास याद है जिसमें बोरिंग से टीचर आते थे और पूरा हिस्ट्री का सिलेबस सिर्फ रीड करा करके एंड कर देते थे और हमें वही लेक्चर समझने के लिए यूट्यूब पर जा करके वीडियोस देखने पड़ते थे. पढ़ाते दोनों ही सेम थे पर वो यूट्यूब का लेक्चर ज़्यादा आसानी से ग्रैब होता था rather than the boring history class. So here's the same thing. If you're getting the education right, then you're gonna get the skills right. I have also break the education point in 3 parts: basic, standard and premium. A. Basic. ये तो बहुत लोगों से सुना होगा कि अगर बेसिक क्लियर होगा तो सारी चीज़ें बहुत आसानी समझ में आ रही हैं and blah blah blah. Well, guess what? They are right. Having a basic information is gonna help you a lot rather than having all that fancy information of which actually nobody cares. B. Standard. अब क्लास 10th की मैथ्स भी पढ़ ली और उससे बेसिक एजुकेशन भी कह लिया. अब बचा 11th-12th का सिलेबस जिसे हम स्टैंडर्ड एजुकेशन कहेंगे, जिसमें हम बेसिक एजुकेशन की एप्लीकेशन को समझेंगे. Same with the skill. Now we know the parts and how to hold the guitar. Now we will know how to play it. C. Premium education. We don't need this education in this particular video because in this video we are only talking about how to learn a skill fast, not how to learn a skill professionally. क्योंकि ये एजुकेशन प्रोफेशनल लोगों के लिए होती है कि अब 12th से मैथ्स भी कर ली और अब करेंगे PhD in maths. And there is no pressure on you if you want to learn the skill fully. I'm just telling you how to learn the skill fast because it takes a lot of time and effort to learn the skills perfectly. Third, practice. Practice makes a man perfect. The tips or say the points which I have given you are not gonna work if you're not practicing the skill. Again I say, you have to practice for 20 hours but it should be consistently. It's not like one day, 1 to 2 hours and then just forget about it and restart it after a week. It just don't work like that. And it's totally alright if you suck at it in the beginning. So these are the tips which are going to help you to learn any skill in minimum time. Also there's a bonus tip. So before going to that, if you are watching this video and not subscribed to the channel, please like, share and subscribe to the channel because it gives me a lot of confidence for making out these videos regularly. Bonus tip, motivation. As I've said before, learning a new skill is hard because you have stepped out of your comfort zone and for the cherry on the top, you kind of suck at it too. So this leads to demotivation and blah 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 for leaving it. So it's very important to believe in yourself for sticking to it. Don't try to push yourself for getting better at it in one day because you won't. Better than that, you should try to be only 1% better than the last time. जो कि मैं भी कर रहा हूँ बाई मेकिंग आउट दीज वीडियोज रेगुलरली, जिसमें मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ 1% बेटर होना चाहता हूँ अपने प्रीवियस वीडियोज से. इन द लास्ट, द कंपाउंडिंग विल डू इट्स जॉब. There's also a book which I would love to recommend you all to read if you want to know about this in deep, The Atomic Habits. I have linked down its audiobook in the description, so you can check it out if you want to. So yeah, these are the tips which help me to learn any skills faster. Hope you liked and enjoyed the video. And if you want to know how to use these skills for freelancing, you can check out my other video, how to use these skills for freelancing, in the cards here. And so, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.